So in this video, I'm going to show you what size battery you need inside your Apple AirTag. It's a really common battery, so we'll open it up and I'll show you exactly what model you need to change the battery if your AirTag starts to die. Stick around. This is our AirTag, and you can see we've got the shiny side and then the kind of matte white side. To open up the battery, you depress on the left side and rotate like that, and that'll pop it open. Once we've got the battery here, you'll see it's a CR2032. This is the most common coin battery. When you put a new battery in, just make sure that you keep the positive side facing towards you. CR2032, and we don't want any bitter. Sometimes they coat these with something bitter so that kids don't swallow them. So 2032 coin battery. Make sure the positive side is facing you. Pop it back in. There's kind of 3 indentations. You can see there's these 3 protrusions on the AirTag itself. Just make sure those line up, and then press in and rotate to the right, and you'll hear the AirTag turn on there, and you're all set. So that's how you change the battery on the Apple AirTag. And again, the battery that you need is a CR2032 coin battery. So press left, rotate, it'll pop out. New battery, make sure the positive side is facing towards you. Put it back in, line up the 3 protrusions, and twist to the right. Okay, hope this is helpful.